The winter we have not spent in Europe for very many years, and we are very much enjoying this early stages of it.
Beloved one, a silent song, here with you. This heart belongs, tears of joy, brought these eyes to see.
Seems very nice, very nice.
Okay, get on with it.
Heart that's free, beloved one. Oh, beloved one.
Come and have a look here. Looks very nice, no?
The fruit of the Spirit is love and peacefulness, compassion, empathy, openness. Why the people they love to come to this place? It's the same trees as beyond the hills.
Why not today?
The difference is
Why not now?
that here
Let it
we
all
venerate truth, we venerate God, and we live it.
One who came to you is so long gone.
Javier, you
And all
there?
that remains is just this song of love. Here in your grace.
Love becomes your climate, but a love that is profound,
Oh,
that
beloved,
is without need or trickery.
beloved one.
And remember, Sahaja means the natural state, not the contrived state, the natural state.
This heart of mine, everything
And gradually,
once been seeking.
something is being absorbed in the unspeakable.
And what do we want to say?
Silence is speaking.
What else do you want to say?
Here in your grace. Yeah, yeah, beloved one.
You know, you're going to have to sing again.
You had to be singing another song.
Yes.
Well, this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Yeah, this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine, oh, let it shine. Well, everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Yeah, everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine, oh, let it shine. Yeah, all up in my house, I'm gonna let it shine. Yeah, all up in my house, I'm gonna let it shine. All up in my house, I'm gonna let it shine, oh, let it shine. Well, up in Mount Sahaja, I'm gonna let it shine. Yeah, up in Mount Sahaja, I'm gonna let it shine. There, Mount Sahaja, I'm gonna let it shine, oh, let it shine. Let it shine, oh, let it shine.
Babaji, this is a gift from all of us to you for Christmas.
Wow. That is amazing. That is amazing. So I haven't really come here for a very long time, and we're just visiting now. You can see it's kind of was intended to be kind of life-size-ish, but it's a bit smaller than like this. This would be like the risen Christ. This is Mary Magdalene and the tree of life that somehow binds them.
And when she first meets him, she thinks he's the gardener.
Yes.
And she's obviously in great grief because she's just watched him being crucified. So she goes to the gardener, "Where have you taken him?"
Yeah.
And he says, "Mary."
Yeah.
And she says,
She knew.
"My Lord and my God." And what's so amazing, I think, about this is that these are the hands you want to touch, you want to hold them, you want to, but he's just showing them to you. You need to witness him in a different way now. That's why I love it.
And thank you. Thank you for what you do.
This one. Yeah. That's right. This was where I used to sell incense initially, This was my incense place here. And it was used to be Frank. I don't know if anybody knows what happened to Frank now, because the police moved me from walking around selling with the bell, and he allowed me to stay here. Wherever we go, whether we are single or together, we move in the presence and the power and the force of God. Namaste, everyone. Welcome to this very wonderful gathering. You are discovering what sometimes people have spent many, many years trying to discover. This is more here than the idea you have of yourself. This here is your eternal existence.
Yeah, I'm already way down. I'm at your feet.
Can you sing something?
Language here to speak.
Jai Jai Ram, Sita Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
Sadhguru Shri Muj Baba ki
Wonderful. Isley Brothers. Yeah, man. This is the truth. This is the truth.
Summer breeze makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind. Oh, summer breeze makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind. All in my mind. A little light shining through the window lets me know everything's alright. Oh, summer makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind.
So beautiful that we are, sitting together today. All of you, you are my birthday present today. In each of you, in your heart is bearing this fruit of perfect awakening, beyond merely intellectual or mental convictions, but experiential truth, because only that will do. Everything here that this life can be in service to, may it be for that, and that through you also this
great gift of grace can continue to bear innumerable fruits, and like yeast, it keeps spreading, and that the realization of truth becomes contagious again in this planet. Hallelujah to the truth. Thank you.
So today we have the first of the big olive beings coming, the ancient trees. And yeah, this is not the biggest one, but it's quite huge. So let's see how it goes.
There's nothing greater than that pure consciousness. And even looking at this tree, which it is only, again, a very beautiful expression of time and change and form, arising out of the formless. And this formless I know as the mighty God, the mighty truth, the imperishable, the unborn, the uncreated. And the reason why we continue to meet and immerse ourselves in that and to be absorbed in that, which we have come to discover is our innate being.
We are following this amazing tree and we're just blessing him, and he's blessing us, and we are all blessed.
And because of that, we have found real happiness, real joy, even in this world. When we see the expressions of grace that produces such a magnificent manifestation of grace, we are again thrown back into the heart of our own being, to baptize our mind again in that which is timeless and which is imperishable. Never forget that's why you came here. Manti Sahaja should always be regarded as a monastery, as a temple, as an ashram, because only veneration for the Supreme Being takes place here. And that is our walk, that is our daily breath and our bread each day.
In the truck we spoke about this tree and how it's one of the oldest on the land. And the center of all of these olive trees become hollow. So the older and older they get, the more they mature and the more empty they are. We thought that was quite lovely in Landcare.
Grace is so much with you. Step by step, breath by breath, grace is with you. It's brought you so far. It will never abandon you. By turning your attention inside the heart, you're waking up. Waking up from this long sleep of personhood into that bright awareness itself. For this reason, we came here. As souls, how long have we been journeying on the face of this planet? We don't know. But today matters. That you are in the hearing of these things matters. That you know who you are, what you are, matters. to escape from the wheel of samsara matters. And yet we still cling to seeds that will cause you to perish and to suffer. And these must be rooted out. Our true nature is imperishable, timeless. Grow in that inner confidence. Trust in what has been revealed to you. Walk in the light of your own understanding. So many flowers are blossoming in this field of satsang. It is beautiful to see. This is not a storybook. It's living guidance for living beings. So you hold this feeling inside your heart. I am chosen for freedom. For this reason, we came here.